Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Skiba. I hope you guys are having an awesome week. So for reading today, we're actually going to jump right back in to Moonlight Cat. I hope you guys really loved reading this yesterday because I know I did. I love cats. And so you guys are going to use this book to complete our reading lesson today. We're still working on that same strategy. We're looking, we're thinking, and then we're reading the pages. We're looking at the pictures, we're thinking about what those pictures are telling us, and then we're reading the words on the page. So you're going to grab this book, but this time I want you guys to do something a little bit different. You're going to only pay attention to what the cat is doing in the story, because the story is called Moonlight Cat, right? So we need to know what's up with this cat. What is he doing? What's happening with him? How is he feeling? And why is he doing what he's doing? So you're going to read through Moonlight Cat again. And this time you're going to pay super close attention. You're going to get your little magnifying glass out. You're going to be a detective. You're going to look for the clues to find out what the cat is doing. And you're going to pay really close attention to the illustrations or the pictures of the cat, right? Looking, thinking, and then reading. Once you're finished reading, I know this looks like a lot of words on this slide. And it is, because we have a lot to talk about. This book was really interesting. A lot happened. There was something going on every single page. So after you read, you're going to talk about the book with your parent. So here are some questions to answer. We want to talk about, where did Brother's toy go? How did Grandma lose her socks? How did the puzzle pieces get lost? What happened to Dad's mittens? On Thursday night, how does the girl know what the cat is doing? And why will the cat stay in next week? So all of these questions start with a question word: who, what, where, when, or why. And this helps us really think about who's in our story, what's happening, where is it happening, when is it happening, and why is it happening. We answer all those questions and we get a really good understanding of what our story was about. So let's do the first one together. Where did Brother's toy go? I remember reading on page 4, so go ahead and flip to page 4 and we can look at it together. I remember reading, on Monday, my cat eats tuna from a tin can. I help my brother look for his toy. On Monday night, my cat goes out. Okay, so it kind of seems like brother lost his toy, and then the cat goes outside. I know he's outside because I'm looking at my illustration and I'm seeing some grass, and I'm also seeing a fence in the background. So I'm telling myself he's probably in the backyard, right? And then I'm looking at the cat because that's my goal for when I'm reading this book this time, right? I'm really paying attention to the cat. And I see that this sneaky cat has something in his mouth, and it kind of looks like a little toy. So the question says, where did Brother's toy go? And now, after reading those pages and looking at my illustrations or my pictures, I can see that the cat looks like he's taking Brother's toy outside, because he's not in the house. It's not in the playroom, in the toy chest. He's going outside. So you're going to do this with all of those questions there. You're going to read the question, think about where you read about that in the book, flip to that page, check your illustrations, and read your words. You're going to look at the pictures and the words. You're going to think about what's probably happening or what might be happening or what you think is happening if you really don't know. And then you're going to read those words and talk about what's happening. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this book. I can't wait for you to dive into it again, get a little bit more of an understanding of what's happening and what this sneaky cat is doing, because it's pretty silly. And I think that cats are just super, super funny. I love cats. So I'm excited for you guys to read more about this little sneaky cat. And I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow.